It's raining, which means I'm going to draw and possibly make ramen and wait until it is no longer cold. But in the meantime, I promised a friend that I'd make a YouTube video reading poetry. So today we are going to read poetry while I make some mediocre art in my sketchbook. This is a poem that my mum found a snippet of and read to me, which I then looked up and found on Tumblr. I like it because it reminds me of the Raven Boys. I'm not actually sure what context there is around it, if any, but I do think it's really pretty writing. So without further ado, we stand together by the creek in my backyard, watching the stars fall one at a time. A third of the sky is black now, your hands in mine. I thought it'd be wilder than this, you say. 4 horsemen, trumpets and earthquakes, waters turning to blood, you know? But there's only falling stars. Well, at least the Weather Channel warned us about it, I say, glad they predicted something right for once. My doomsday neighbors are loading the back of the dirty old pickup. Suitcases stacked under cardboard boxes of books and silverware stacked under large whitewashed crosses. My parents didn't pack up, and neither did yours. If there are angels walking in the streets, I want to see them, your ma told us over coffee. I want to know if they really got lion teeth and 100,000 eyes. The stars are starting to fall faster now. The sky's near half empty. I wonder where they go. If they crater lawns and smash other people's houses, if they're really angels come to deliver us into higher places with their calloused hands. Bet you $20 Gabriel brings his stupid damn harp, I say. The doomsday neighbors have started their truck, engines moaning like a sinner in hell, and one of their young girls leaning out a window sings, "Some glad morning when this like is over." You laugh. Betcha 50 he'll wear a stupid damn tunic, even if he's got 6 wings and 4 arms. There's shouting in the distance, so far away we've got to strain to hear it. So far away it could have been the babbling of a creek just the same. Think it'll hurt? I ask. Another 3 stars shudder and fall away. You grip my hand tighter. Hope not. That is by, I believe, Keaton St. James. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!